You're laughing up.
Our Pambutas.
Minglea is here, right? Where's Minglea? Nasa inyo ba?
Kabayong, no?
Nasa amin, nasa amin.
Okay, okay.
Kabayo is drunk.
Oh,
Always drunk.
ay.
13.
Rebuff.
Lahat ng yellow, top. Lahat ng purple and blue. Purple and blue, bottom. Lahat ng yellow, top.
Mount up.
Come on guys to my team, all mid. Team A, all mid.
Oh, cannot move. What the hell? Oh, they all mid? No?
Tapos yung ulti mo, Faith, iwan mo sa sa bulwark. Go. Nice shot for Nameless.
Depend nga muna tayo, yellow, depend. Depend muna tayo, mid. Good work.
Buff! Bulwark, buff!
Go. All damage, bulwark. Do you have sock near bulwark?
Yeah, we can. Opening,
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go!
Sock near bulwark. Go.
Suck it!
Okay, they're dying. Go.
Defend nga muna tayo. Kayo muna bahala mag-down ng mga tower last, ha. Yung team yellow, defend.
Tower.
Good shield, guys. Good shield for those Nameless. This guy's dying. There.
Lumipat sila sa top.
Go lang.
Defend top, yellow, team yellow.
We need to take this down.
Oh, they're starting. Someone keep using horse so they cannot
And
go
Lion's Roar, guys. Come on. We go bottom. Let's get to bottom.
Tower.
Bottom bulwark, guys.
Sabog na rin yung
Come on,
Bottom bulwark. Bottom.
Go.
Bottom.
Allure them. Go. I hold them. Bottom.
May tumayo nga sa bulwark, guys. May tumayo sa bulwark.
Bottom. Not top. Bottom or top?
PvP lang, PvP. Pag malapit na yung mamatay, guys, tayo lang kayo sa bulwark.
Nice. My team, let's go, Goose. And then, yung mga defense team, punta kayo dun sa upper tower. Pilihin yung upper tower.
Goose.
Team purple. Pa-defend na ako ng team purple.
DPS Goose.
Good. Don't have. Goose, guys. We go, Goose.
Bayaan nyo na yan. Sa tayo, guys. Bayaan nyo na yan.
Goose,
Sa tayo
take Goose
mag-defend.
on the left. Pull the Goose on the left.
Ibigay na
Don't
yung tower
crowd it on
ng
mid. Left. Go left.
Ay,
All
wala
left,
na sila
all
sa
left.
Sige. Boss, top, boss. Team jungle. Punta kayo sa top. Team jungle. Go top. Team jungle. CK, Sumi, Twilight, top.
Put the Goose on left. Goose, guys. I buff the Goose. Come on, come on,
Go,
come
go, go.
on.
I'm on
It's
Gus.
gone.
Goose on the left.
Fuck this goose.
Spring never
Ba't
ends.
nasa labas yung
Left
goose
goose,
natin?
left goose.
The fuck is this? Dahil. Tawagin mo!
I pull it,
Balik ka.
bombing. Left.
Where? Oh, go, 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 go.
Bombing left. Come on, come on, come on, come
Kasi
on.
sa boss guys, ano ah? Andito na sila. Base, base, base.
Focus, Gus.
Goose guys, goose.
Dito na sila guys.
Nice shield.
Yeah. Good shield, guys.
No. Don't forget jungle.
Defend lang, defend.
Desperate search kalaban.
There, Gus.
Yeah, suck it, now, now.
Pa-jungle, pa-jungle. Focus jungle.
Go, go, go.
Nakuha na ba yung jungle natin guys?
Open big hill.
Ito si Raiden. Si Raiden.
Spring never ends.
Diyan na sila guys, andyan na sila. Ready, ready, ready.
Oh, they crowded, they crowded. Come on, come on, come on.
Bottom gate, bottom gate, bottom gate.
Horse, horse, horse.
Stop,
First
stop,
guys,
stop.
first.
Bottom gate, stop. Line sword, line sword, line sword.
Spread,
10 seconds for my ano. 10 seconds for my ulti. Do you have stop? 5 seconds. 5 seconds.
2 second, ulti.
Okay. Come on, ready. Suck.
Now, bombing, bombing.
Suck.
Nagsak din sila.
Shit.
Go.
Why?
Top gate, top gate.
We are still defending here.
Naka-later ah.
Kung masyado free, let's wait. We're here.
Right.
Come on.
Oh, ito na.
Good.
Go forward.
Ah, jungle. Sumi, TK,
I'm dying.
TK, Twilight. Yung iba dito sa pwede ka
Back muna kayo,
malapit na.
back muna kayo,
Oh my
back.
God, they're full
Malapit lang sa
defense.
base.
Yeah, they're defending too much. We're
Ready, ready.
outnumbered.
Half time. Ano to? Dual
Okay.
blades yung maraming mo, ah. Dual blades.
Okay.
We watch PPP. I cannot watch PPP.
Nah.
Vision. Rush,
Hmm.
Vision.
Uy,
Yes.
Yun. Di
They
tumama.
low on member, right?
Ay, tumama.
They full
Yeah.
defense.
Yes.
We're gonna take some defense to their base. Full attack.
Okay, okay.
If the enemy is on low, like no person, like maybe half, maybe normal team.
Oh, good.
Okay, okay. After na yung mga jungle team, diretso kayo sa base. Base nila.